Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add a plus sign in Excel without formula for many ways. Step 1. Click any cells or select multiple cells. Go to Home tab, Number, sorry, General drop down menu and select Text and type plus sign. Hold Shift, enter. Hold Shift plus sign and use number. Press enter. And step 2. Use this comma plus sign. First of all, use any character, use plus sign. And step 3, go to Insert tab, Equations, drop down menu and see this plus sign. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.